Hello and welcome to Your Portuguese. When a person wishes to communicate in a language, it's necessary to know at least some basic things of it. And with the Portuguese one, it's not different. That's why I would like to ask you, do you know how to say how are you in Portuguese? If not, don't worry about it, we are going to teach you how to do it today. As in many languages, there are many ways to express something in Portuguese. So there is more than one manner to say how are you in this idiom, but we are going to teach the most used so that you can understand and use them every time you need it. We are also going to teach you how to answer to those questions, since it's very important too. The first one is tudo bem? Tudo bem? It literally means everything fine, and it is one of the most used, including as only a greeting as well. The answer for it may be simply tudo bem, obrigado, obrigada, e com você? Tudo bem, obrigado, obrigada, e com você? The second one is como você está? Como você está? And its literal translation is how are you? It is more formal and advised to be used in any kind of occasion. The answer for it is eu estou bem, obrigado, obrigada, e você? Eu estou bem, obrigado, obrigada, e você? And the last one is como vai? Como vai? Or como vão as coisas? Como vão as coisas? They will be literally translated as how are you going and how are things going, respectively. The answer for it may be bem, tudo bem, or eu estou bem, obrigado, obrigada, e com você? Bem, tudo bem, or eu estou bem, obrigado, obrigada, e com você? Now, you're ready to know how those people who you like or have just met are feeling and how to answer them about it too. In Portuguese, it's a very important thing because it should not be seen as only a personal question, but in many cases, it works as a greeting as well. So, what are you waiting for to put it into practice? If you think this video was useful for you, share it on your social medias and help other people to learn Portuguese as well. Show us some love too, leaving your like on the video, and if you have some suggestion or constructive criticism, leave it in the comments area.